How to create a group chat on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to start a group conversation with multiple friends. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Next, tap on the pencil or compose icon in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Create a new group from the options. Now, search for friends you want to add by typing their names in the search bar. Moving forward, tap on each friend to add them to the group. Afterwards, once you've selected all members, tap Next at the bottom. In addition to that, you'll be prompted to add a group name. Once there, type a name for your group chat. Subsequently, you can also add a group photo by tapping the camera icon. Moreover, customize group settings like theme and emoji if you want. Afterwards, tap Create or Done to finish creating the group. Then your group chat is now active and you can start messaging everyone. And that's it. If this group chat guide helped you connect with friends, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.